It's been a lot. I don't think I dealt with postpartum depression. I definitely had baby blues because that's a thing because of the sharp change in hormones. But I think I have dealt with being burnt out, and that has an end.
I mean, I feel like, especially since the pandemic, everybody's experienced a version of burnout. But what has been different about your experience with burnout since having the baby?
Our country does a horrible job of providing moms and dads the ability to bond, take care of, adjust, and navigate the nuances of having an infant.
I figure that they give you plenty of time because you
No.
just popped. No,
No. So
how
I
much time did you actually get off?
like 2 months. And that's because I had just started my job. So I didn't have the 90 days. I was close. I didn't have the 90 days with which to get the full benefits. But then the full benefits was only a month extra.
You explained it to me, and I still don't understand it. Like, first of all, did anybody who ever had a baby, were they involved in like the decision making for how to do maternity leave? Right? Because in my head,
Doubt it.
I'm like, bro, you went in and you had a C-section, right?
They literally cut me open.
Right,
That's took out the baby.
That is
It's
major abdominal surgery up top, right there. There we go.
They went through 7 or 8 layers to get to Princess Imani.
But even if you didn't, even if you did a regular vaginal birth,
That's a lot.
That's also a whole lot. Yo, in high school, they showed us. Did they show you the Miracle of Life in high school?
Unfortunately.
Okay, great. So if you remember the Miracle of Life, sorry to bring this back to your memory. All of that stuff happens. All of that physical bodily trauma happens, whether it's C-section or regular. I don't want to say regular because C-section is regular for
Vaginal delivery.
There we go. But like whether it's C-section or vaginal delivery, like it still causes a lot of bodily trauma that needs recovery, right? And I'm a guy, right? So even though I'm like advocating for you and advocating for women and people who are having babies, it's like I don't even know the full picture of it. So if I were to make legislation or rules about it, I would be coming at it from a almost like a clouded lens. Like I wouldn't be able to get a full picture of what would actually be necessary for you to fully recover and re-enter the workforce at the same capacity that you left.